Alright, so we're gonna try and cook these dehydrated potatoes that we cooked yesterday. Hopefully they turn out okay. I did a test run before cooking them today, and they turned out pretty great actually. So we're gonna go and have breakfast by the beach. I brought some eggs and some sausages with me, and we'll see how it goes. Here we are outside. I'm actually at Bluffers Park right now. I'm gonna try out these dehydrated potatoes that I made. See how they turn out. I got them in a Ziploc bag. I got all my cooking supplies there. Let's get to it. Beautiful day. There's no sun. It's a little bit overcast, but it's actually really nice. I'm by Lake Ontario at Bluffers Park. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, and thank you for joining me in this outdoor nature cooking show. And yeah, right now I'm gonna go try and find a place to set up my equipment, start cooking, maybe get some breakfast going. All right, see you in a bit. This looks like a good place to set up kitchen supply. Got a nice log right there. Set it up. So I got my potatoes right here. I just bought an extra Ziploc bag. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what I need from the dehydrated potatoes. I'm going to put it in this bag, and I'm going to soak it with some water for about 10 minutes in this bag. So it should already be fully reconstituted. It's all good. Just leave that there for about 5-10 minutes. Should be pretty good. So I had to change location because it started to rain. Potatoes, I just poked a little hole in there so I can just squeeze out as much water as I can. You want to get this as dry as possible, like it's already fully reconstituted. You want to get it as dry as possible. I'm gonna let that go for a few minutes. Come back when it's already nice and brown. So I added more butter there. Oh yeah. It's complete without adding salt and pepper. Oh yeah. It's looking mighty good, if I do say so myself. What I should have done actually is move the egg that way. That way it could cook by itself. You know what I mean? So, egg is getting cooked. Hash brown is pretty much there. It's not the most prettiest plate, but pretty sure it'll taste really, really great. Alright. Pretty much there. It's the food. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my god. Amazing. Oh yeah. Alright, so it did start raining, so I had to cut off the video for a little bit, but I am still eating this wonderful, wonderful meal, as you can see. But if you like this video, click subscribe on my YouTube channel. I will be doing a lot more of these outdoor cooking shows, mainly for like camping or backpacking and stuff like that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace.